Can you see this huge building behind me? They started building it 2 years ago, and they will finish it only next spring. And when it's ready, almost 300 families will move in. And when they move in, they will have no clue how this building was actually being built. It's the same with charismatic people. When you meet a charismatic person, when you experience his or her charisma, you see something from the outside, but you have no clue what's happening in the inside. My name is Imre Bolya. I'm a charisma researcher, trainer, and also senior leader, just like Alexander at the Tonyja Robbinsa seminars. Nowadays I meet many people struggling with self-confidence and self-worth issues. What's the solution? The solution is not in the outside. The solution is in the inside. By using different techniques, tips, strategies in order to boost their charisma. And this is what I'm gonna reveal to you at the conference at the end of November. Looking forward to meeting you, and until then, may your charisma be with you.